Hello and welcome to CodeProSeries. In this video, we are going to start our journey into the .NET framework by creating our very first C# console application. This is nothing but a classic one Hello World program. So whether you are a complete beginner or brushing up on your basis, this series will guide you step by step. So let's get started. Okay, so before going further, prerequisites are there actually. So for creating a Hello World program in Visual Studio, C#.NET framework, so you need to have like Windows operating system. So it's more recommended, like Windows 10 or Windows 11 will be very best for this. Visual Studio runs best on Windows for full .NET framework development. So these are the recommended one, 10 and 11 Windows, and a Visual Studio installed should be there. So you can download it from the visualstudio.microsoft.com. You can see this, you can download it from here. So let's copy, and so you can download it, your Visual Studio from here. Is the latest download is there actually, Visual Studio 2022, for which will provide you long-term support .NET Core, .NET Core 8.0. But 2019 I will show you. So you can download Visual Studio Community Edition version, which is free for to install everyone. We will open the Visual Studio. So once you open your Visual Studio, it might be 2022 or 2019. So currently I am opening up 2019. So you can see there are multiple options there, and on the right side, clone a repository, open a project or solution, create a new project. So as of now we are creating a new project, so we will select this. But if you want to already have your application project in your system, so you can use select this, and it will take to the your solution file or project file, where you can select and open your project or solution. Or if you have your project into the repository like repository. So as of now we will start with a new project on, so I will selecting this. So in the next wizard you can see there are three options are there. So in the first option you will see the files language selection. So all the languages populated in this drop box. So I will select a C sharp, and in the next in the next drop box you can see the selection of the platform. So there are multiple platforms: Linux, Mac OS, and as well iOS, Android. But we are the Windows platform, so I will select a Windows based platform, and the project type I will select a console. But you can see there are multiple project types are there, like Windows based application, IoT application, desktop application, cloud based application, test unit test framework. So as of now I just select console because this is a Hello World console application, so I will select the console application. So there are three options you have given to select, go with creating an app console application. So first option is more on like .NET Core. So it will provide you a cross platform, which is nothing but you can run this application on the Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And the second is .NET framework. It's not a .NET Core, it's a .NET framework which is only run on the Windows OS. So as of now, I'm running on the Windows OS and using .NET Framework only. So I will just say next, and then I will add provide a project name, Hello World Console app. And in the last drop down, you can see the framework, .NET framework, where you can choose which was you have installed within the Visual Studio installer. So I will choose .NET Framework 4.8. But if you are installing Visual Studio 2022, you can see the multiple option other than that, this 4.8 option. which is .NET 5, .NET 6, .NET 8, which is the latest. So as of now, I'll just go with the .NET Framework 4.8. So I'll create. Okay, once it will created, you can see the Visual Studio Editor, where you can see on the right hand side Solution Explorer, where you can see your solution file name is Hello World Console App. This is .sln solution file, and within that project is created project file. Project is same name is Hello World Console App, and within this console application, you can see the reference folder, properties folders, and app.config. And in the reference folder, you can see the multiple default DLL is automatically in the reference folder. You can see Microsoft.C Sharp. DLL is added by default. It's a C Sharp language application. So C Sharp file is added. System by default is added. System.core is added. System.data. System.data set extensions. System.net.http, which will provide all the HTTP functionality in your application. You can use it. Is system.xml, xml.link link will provide all the linking functionality, and each and every time a program class file is created. So whenever you create a console application, there is a execution main method is executed in the from the program class. So you can see the main method is created. So whatever you will write, you can write in the main method to execute in the beginning of your console application. So this is just a hello world program. So we have to display hello world on the on the command line on the console app. So I will say console dot write line, and whatever I have to display, I will display here. Hello world, I have to display, so I will this hello world, and that's it. It's my first hello world application is console application is created. So what I will do, save, and I will start this program. Basically, I will execute this program. So okay. So we just saw that one prompt is aim command line prompt as aim, but it terminated immediately. So to hold on that app, so I will say console.writeLine. So in this way, it will be wait for my user's input. So I will add that line, and that's it. So now it will exit this line, and it will wait for read the line. So you can see also in debug mode, actually you can able to is much more better understanding. So let's say start. So see the debugger executed on the line number 12, and now I will hit F11. So see here, I can see the exe is generated in the debug folder, and I can see my hello world written on that console application, and it's also wait for some input. So I should enter any number or character. So now you can see the debugger is aimed to the next line on the line 15, and from here it will be terminated because it's end of the method, main method. And as we saw, there is a debug folder is created within the folder application. So you can see right click on this solution, and it will and open into the folder. So you can see the folder is open, and our application is this project is this, and within the project you should go to the obj, and within the obj you see debug folder is created, and within the debug folder you can see .exe file is created. So this our application is created. So if I exit this application exe file, so you can see hello world is uh, open, and this application is ran. So now if I have to enter, I have to enter enter. Uh, so yeah, this is the end. Congratulations, you were just created your first C Sharp application using the .NET framework. In the next video, I will go through this debug and release mode so you can better understand what is the difference between debug and release mode. So, I will create that in the next video. Stay tuned. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step .NET tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.